What happened to your laptop, you said, miss?
All right, so what happened was I was working out at home and I had like a pre-recorded video. I was doing yoga and I almost stepped on my dog.
Oh
So
my gosh.
instead, I stepped on my laptop.
And you cracked the screen?
Yeah. So I need your help.
Don't worry. I got you.
Hi. Good boy.
Your MacBook is ready, miss. I changed the mouse pad for you as well. And I changed the color for you as well. Now it's good to go.
Thank you so much.
You're
I'm so
welcome.
excited. What would I do without you?
Thank you.